Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the best ways to make money online. Hey, what's going on, guys? If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'm going to be talking about two different ways on how to make money online. One is going to be active income and the other is going to be passive income. And if you guys are looking for my recommendation on how to make money online, just stay tuned to the end of the video. So let me start off by talking about active income. So what active income is just you're trading your time for money. You're offering your skills or services and getting paid for them. So let me go into that further. So with active income, it can be something such as freelancing. And the best websites to do this is through Fiverr and Upwork. So you have Fiverr, you have Fiverr.com, and you also have Upwork. Now with these websites, you can just simply buy people's services, or you can also offer your services for a fee. So this is for those of you who are offering graphic design services, web tester, or video editing. You can even use other people's services on these websites and turn around and sell them to bigger companies. So say for example, if you know a big company that's looking for a graphic design to be done, you can just simply go to these websites like Fiverr, for example, have that graphic design done, and then turn around and sell it to that bigger company. And another website that I'm going to recommend for you guys is through TextBroker. Now what TextBroker is for those of you who are good at writing or you're looking to improve your writing skills. So TextBroker is a website that works with bigger companies that are looking for articles to be written for them. So the way it works is that you sign up and you submit a writing sample to them, and they evaluate your writing skills and they give you a star rating. And once you receive your rating, you can start writing articles and start getting paid. Now these are going to be the active ways to make money. Now let me go into the passive ways. So what passive income is you initially put in work, whatever method you're using to make money, and you just maintain it regularly to keep it up and running. So one way for passive income to be made is through selling online courses, where you create a course and you charge people to enroll in your course. Now three websites that offer these services are Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Now with Udemy and Skillshare, I know a lot of people who create courses, they don't get paid a whole lot, especially because these websites, they do have sales for their courses. So you might want to get paid a certain amount for your course, but the website is having a sale in order to get more people to their website. Teachable is a website that I prefer over these other two because you set the price that you want to charge for your online course. So that's three websites that you can use. So you have Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare. Now, another way to make passive income is by selling photos. I'm pretty sure some of you have probably went on the internet looking at photos and they actually charge you to use their photo. Now these are websites such as Shutterstock and iStockPhoto. So the way it works is that these websites pay you a percentage of what they make from selling your photos. They sell it to anybody who purchases your photo on their website. So imagine taking one picture and having 5, 10, maybe 100 people buy your photo. That's passive income off of just one photo. So that's another way you can make passive income. I'm just gonna put Shutterstock right here because that's the most popular website that sells photos. Another great website is through YouTube. Now YouTube is a very powerful tool because, I mean, with video content, it has more engagement than written text. You can make money with YouTube through ad revenue, but the thing is you need a ton of views in order to make a decent amount of money. So the best way to do it is by selling products in your description. Now the next way to make passive income is through affiliate marketing. I don't know if you guys can see that. So the way affiliate marketing works is that you're promoting somebody else's product online, and whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you make a commission. Now this is a great way to make a full-time income. There's many people who are making 6 figures a year just with this method alone. So that pretty much sums up the best ways to make money online. And if you guys are interested in my recommendation on how to make a full-time income, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and you guys can check that out. And if you guys are looking to get started with affiliate marketing, I'm gonna leave a free ebook download that you guys can download for free called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And like I said earlier, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Do you guys use any of these methods? And if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.